Good evening once more. You are welcome to CryptoZilla YouTube channel. Yeah, today I'm going to show you something very interesting. A smart way in which you can actually use to earn on Binance or any exchange without you actually trading or waiting for any signal to enter or buying or kind of one of those technical analysis and all that. No, keep that aside. Now we all know that in this state of the market we're in a dip, and lots of persons are actually skeptical. Most persons are not in the market. Most persons have USDT as their reserve. Most persons have up to 70% USDT and 30% still on the market. Yeah, whichever one you are, you believe you will know better. Now, I want to show you a better way or what you can do with your USDT that is on reserve. You can actually take advantage of the what I'm about to show you now to make little profit, top up to your USDT, or you to flip up, or let me say to multiply your capital before the market bounces back for a full trade market. So today I want to show you a smart thing people do. Most persons actually sell this information out. I saw someone selling it out for up to 50,000 naira and all that. Well, I choose to give it out for free to my subscribers here, so you can actually get to know about this trick and you earn money. So all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we make videos like this to enable you earn on crypto and other related sources. So right, let's go straight up into the video now. On this, if you notice, if you go to your P2P platform on Binance, you see which trades on BTC. You see some of these guys, they keep buying and selling. You see a particular traders having up to 4,000 trades, 5,000 trades, 7,000 trades. You'll be wondering how and when was all these trades executed. Like this guy now is having up to 7,000 trades and all that. Is it like he's the only one on Binance who is into trading and all that? No, most of these guys, what they do is basically crypto arbitrage trading. They don't have any business with technical analysis. They don't do what you do on spots to buy, you wait for it to rise, then sell and all those stuff. No, most of them just take advantage of the little difference in price when they buy and sell out and as well. So they buy USDT, do some little tricks, and it turned out to be profit. And I'm about to show you one of those tricks. There are so many of them, but I will show you one of them tonight. Now, let's assume I want to buy USDT worth of 500,000 USDT worth of 500,000. Now I'll go to USDT section. I will have to scroll down to a seller that will actually that can sell up to 500,000 worth of USDT to me. Let me search for that. This we'll get one soon. Okay, this one is selling. Okay, this one is up to. Let's keep searching. We'll definitely get one. Okay, this one has up to 500,000 to 846,000. Now let me click on buy. I'll click on buy. No, this is just for demonstration's sake. I don't intend buying this, but we just queue in the value to see how many USDT I'm supposed to get with that amount. Okay, I'm getting 799.74. 799.74. Okay, take note of that. Now, let's assume I've already gotten this USDT. I've purchased and I have 799.74 on my balance. All I need to do now is to transfer it to the spot like we normally do. Most of you who are into Binance, you already know this process. So you just transfer it to your spot. It's there waiting to be used to buy any coin or token. Now, on this homepage, the next thing I'm about to show you now is the most important aspect of this tutorial. So you just have to pay keen attention so you don't miss out on any of these information. So The very first I come to this homepage, this is my own strategy. I don't know about others. All I do every day is I keep searching for these opportunities and keep making little money, adding to my USDT, while I wait for the market to bounce back, then go back into trading and all that. So you too can take advantage of this. So on here you have HOTS, gainers, losers, and 24 hours volume. So what I do, I go to losers. I keep checking one of each and every one of these coins. I go to the first one, Firo USDT. Then I will click on Firo USDT here. I'll click on it. Remember, I have 799.71. I will buy. I'll click on buy. 799.71, and I'll be getting 237.2. Let me copy that. 237.2. Now I've bought few of I've bought 237.2 Firos. So I'll go back to sell it now to BTC. To sell it now, I'll look for BTC Firo pair. I'll go to Firo BTC pair here. Then I'll have to sell that Firo. I'll paste it. I already copied it before. So, and this amount of BTC I'll be getting here. I'll copy now. Now, I've sold it to BTC, and this amount of BTC I'm getting. So, I'll go down now to go back to my P2P. Now, I want to sell the Bitcoin I got. Remember that is up to 500,000 worth of Bitcoin. So I will scroll down to look for a seller that will or a buyer that I will sell to. I'll put in the amount of Bitcoin here. You see, now I'm making 501,488 instantly. Now, I know this might be small. Anybody seeing this might feel this is too small to actually do. Now, remember, this will actually not take you up to 5 minutes to finish up. What you need to do is this. You don't have to look at what you get on a single trade like this. You look at what you get if you do it in multiple times. Now, let's assume you do this. You got 1,507. You do it times 10 times in a day, you'll be getting 14,570. 14,570, you do it, guys, in 30 days, you'll be getting 437,000. So, like I said, you don't look at what you get as a single unit of the trade, but if you are consistent and if you can do this multiple times a day, 10 times a day at least, then in 30 days, you'll be getting up to 437,000. Is that not huge? A very huge amount, almost times 2 of your capital. So tell me if you've not doubled your capital already. So that is just a simple trick most of these guys do. They don't look, if you are looking at getting a huge amount on every trade you do here on Binance or any exchange, you are becoming greedy. So every little gain you have, you make use of it. Now, this calculation is actually based on that 1,457. Let's assume in every one you get, you dropped 1,457 aside and continue with your 500,000. You get this. But if, let's say, you get 501,488 and you decide to use this amount again to go in, you definitely get to know that at the end of it, you will not be getting 1,488 anymore as a profit, but it will be higher than this. So as you keep repeating the process, the value will keep increasing. So guys, that is just a simple trick you need to know about P2P arbitrage system. You need to all this will be done, it should be done within Binance. You don't need to transfer to any other exchange. It's just a little price fluctuation. You take advantage of it and make your profit. You can do this with $200, $300. At some point, you might even be opportunity to see where you will be getting up to 4,000 in a single one, 3,000. It keeps fluctuating. So far you have the fund, you can go into this and make huge money out of it. So that is it, guys. You can do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon so you get notified whenever we upload videos like this. It's for your own good, and so you don't miss out for many of these videos, because some of these updates will come in, and if you snooze, you miss out. So bless up, guys. This is CryptoZilla. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.